right, so let me pull this up for you guys. This is a couple slides that's different.
I mean, you hear that all the time about buyers following through in financing. And that's the other thing that listing agents want to know these days too, is that, hey, I mean, there's a lot of people coming that are, pre-approved, but I think it helps when you tell them, that you have a personal business relationship with the lender, and that you've, I tell people, hey, I close 99% of my deals at the, with this lender. They're solid, already been through underwriting. So I think
and the fourth thing, you should make your people buying your house use guaranteed home loans. So you already know up front if the deal's gonna fall apart. So don't happen. All right, I'm pulling this up for you guys so you can see it. Boom, 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 boom.